I think now it's a good time to start. I have already briefed you, but once again, I will tell about this 3 month mentorship program and plus what is this Wealth Club and how can you be a part of Wealth Club. So basically, this is like my first thing is like 3 month financial planning and mindset coaching. I would love everyone to come for this coaching and become a part of Wealth Club. When you are coming for this coaching, you are automatically becoming the part of Wealth Club. And also, I'm opening one option. If anyone who is not willing to come for this mentorship session, they can directly join my Wealth Club and have the flexibility of doing the things at their own pace, at their own speed, and whenever they feel. Because for the first 10 members is for lifetime, so you are free to do whatever you want to do at what time and all these things. So every benefit, mentorship, learning, everything we will be doing the similar thing only, but there with more flexibility. You will be having the total flexibility. You can plan your things, and it's also lifelong. But I would highly recommend to come for this 3 months because when we do something in its structure, step by step, it has more impact. And like many times, if we get lifetime things, we don't follow it. So yes, welcome everyone. Welcome Meghna, Gunjan, Juhi. So yes. So this 3 month, let me first tell you about the 3 month financial planning and mindset coaching. So this in these 3 months, we will be working towards mindset, and we will be doing the goal planning, knowing our financial situation and where we want to go in our life. We will be setting not just a simple goal, we will also be setting ambitious goals like our life 3 years from now, how we want. So we need to create those thoughts because as in manifestation processes, our thoughts create the feelings, our feelings create actions, and then only we get the result. And it's very important to work on the mindset to have the financial success and the freedom faster and create wealth. Lot many times we just hold back because of our beliefs and because of the mindset. So initially in the first month, we will be doing a lot of exercises related with mindset and also setting the goals. I feel setting the goal is the first step. So we will be doing the intention setting in the first session, and we will be doing the goal planning in the first session. And then slowly we will be working toward this, our belief patterns, our success blueprint. And then I will be teaching the money management system that I have learned. And I will be supporting you through the tools and everything. And then we will be learning about different investment options and what are stocks, mutual fund, fixed income options, all these things. Also, we will be covering insurance. Everything I will be covering in this. This is kind of a one-stop solution for all of you. And also, you will be getting support. So yes, this Herwell Circle I have started with the intention to help women and to inspire them, empower them so that they can feel elevated. Because finance is one thing where most women, even if they are earning, they don't feel empowered. They feel, okay, I don't know this. So now I just want to remove that thinking, I don't know anything about finance. It's very easy. It's a system. I feel it is the easiest thing. And anyone willing can definitely learn it, but you need the right kind of mentor, right kind of resources, because in today's thing we are having a lot more information. We don't want a lot more, we just want simple things that we can follow in simple action step. So my job here is to simplify the things, not complicate. So I won't be complicating, I won't be bringing in so many things that you can't learn. So yeah, I will be simplifying the life for you. So this is also I feel is one of the important thing, because many times we just if we follow some of the influencers or anyone, we feel like it's too complicated, so many things I even don't understand these words. So here we will be working on these things also, and I'll simplify everything for you. You will be getting the community to get inspired and keep on working, because finance is not just one day thing, it's a lifelong process. We need to build a habit around it, right? And this is the literacy gap. Women worldwide own just 1% of the wealth. Despite we are 50% of the population, we women don't hold any kind of wealth. And this is kind of like most hurting data when I look at that. I don't know how authentic it is. I just Google it and I found it out, but I'm sure it's quite less. And also, if we see the literacy, it's just 30% for the women. And for men also, it's not so great. It's just 35%. So I want to work towards like raising this literacy. And now, yes, coming to this Wealth Club. Today, I just want to talk about it, why I'm launching this Wealth Club, what it is, and how it can benefit you. So this Wealth Club, yesterday only I got this idea. So this is actually a community where I will be giving you tools and everything. I will be sharing my knowledge, tools, and you will be getting the support to manage the finances effectively. Many a times we just feel overwhelmed with so many things, but when we are having the support, right kind of tools, we can easily do that. So having a community, I feel, is a good thing to have. And what is this purpose behind? First thing is like building sustainable financial habit. The way we do one thing, we do everything. So making a habit, money management habit, or any kind of a good habit, we have to start. So this club will help in man help in developing those good financial habits so that you can also impart them. And also I will be helping in creating personalized financial plans, and also I will be helping you making informed investment decisions. And how this membership will work, so those who are becoming the members, they will get the access to the mentorship sessions. Like earlier I have told you about the 3-month mentorship. So either you can join the 3-month mentorship program, then automatically you will become a part of Wealth Club, or you can directly come to the Wealth Club. Right now, if you don't want to join the mentorship, so you can just come here and just be a part of the group. I will be sharing lots and lots of activities, workbooks, and everything. So you can start doing some of the thing. And when you are ready, and at whatever point in time you are ready, you can join the session. And also, these sessions are not only just for women. You can come with your spouse. You can attend both. I will be giving the recording also, so you can watch at your time also. And I want this as women at the center, and I don't want women to do it alone. They can do with their spouse, because ultimately this is the family and the family planning and the family wealth that we are trying to create. And who can opt for this? This is for women, and for with women, I mean to say families. Because if you are coming as a woman to my mentorship, it's open for your spouse, even and also for your kids. If he is like a teenager, so he can also understand all these things. So you can pass on a good legacy to your kids. So just one membership just one membership is for the whole family. Okay. And this is for who want to gain control over their financial future. You want to develop strong money habits. If you are at a beginner level or intermediate level, if you are seeking any financial planning or investment advice, you can definitely join this group. Or if you want to build wealth sustainably, like in a long term, if you are not this club is not for the person who is just looking for quick trips, quick money, trading trips, this trading tips. This group is not for the persons for like stock market trading and all. So here I will be sharing everything to make wealth in a long term, so that it is sustainable, not quick money thing. And also for anyone who is seeking expert investment guidance in supportive environment. So if you are a one who just need any one of these, can join the community. It's not like you have to do everything. So even if out of these 5 things, if you want to just do one thing, okay, you want to develop a strong money habit, you want to manage your finances nicely, you can come to our club and take the benefit of that thing. Okay, if you want to come for the planning, you can come. You can do the financial planning with me. I can, if you just want investment support, I'll help you. I'll guide you in that. So it's like a flexible plan. Mentorship is like a fixed 3-month plan I am having. So here you will be getting access to the sessions. Whatever session you may feel like joining, you can join. And also I will be giving once in a month, you can also book a one-on-one call with me for initial 6 months. Yes. Actually, I have to take a break because for lifetime, I think it will be overburden. And yes, and one monthly Q&A session I will be doing for lifetime for everyone. So in this, what you will get when you join my Wealth Club or my 3-month mentorship program. So you will be gaining the clarity first on your financial goal. We will be creating a plan, because having a plan and having goals and having a plan is, I feel, is the single most important thing to achieve anything in your life. Then I will be teaching you the easiest money management system. I will be sharing the tools. I will be teaching you the system. How can you go ahead with that? And with this system, how can you make good money habits? So this is the system that will teach you and will keep you on the path of financial success. And we will be learning, and we will be having empowered mindset around money. We will be working on our limiting beliefs regarding money. So everything regarding mindset also we will be covering. And I will also be sharing practical investment knowledge. And I will also be helping you in tax planning and optimization. So everything, anything and everything that is part of finances, investment, mindset, everything is here for you. And how I'm planning to do that. So 12 live weekly sessions will be there. And then we will be having 3-4 implementation sessions. And I will be sharing you tools and all the supporting materials, worksheets, and all I will be providing. And yes, you will be getting lifelong support. You will be having the exclusive access to my Wealth Club. Monthly Q&A sessions we will be having. And you will be having lifetime access to the tools and resources that I will be sharing to you. And the membership fees is 10,000 for now. Yes. And lifetime membership is, this will be actually going to be the annual charges. But for the first 10 members, I feel first 10 members, because you guys are special, you are trusting me. So I am giving you lifetime membership of my club. So whatever learning resources, anything is coming is free for you. So first 10 members will be getting the lifetime membership. So you will be getting investment advice and everything, whatever you need. So, are you ready to be a part of lifetime member of Wealth Club? Or if you have any query, you can ask me. I am happy to help.
Hi Shweta, Juhi this side.
Yes, hi Juhi.
Um, हाँ wanted to ask इसमें आपने टैक्स इन्वेस्टमेंट ये सब के बारे में बात किया है बिकॉज मतलब टैक्स के बारे में भी आई एम नॉट लाइक मुझे प्रॉपर उतना पता नहीं है टैक्स के बारे में यूजुअली जो ईयरली आईटीआर एंड ये सब होते हैं प्रीवियसली आई वाज वर्किंग इन अ कॉर्पोरेट जॉब तो वो सब ऑटोमेटिकली सब हो जाता था बिकॉज दे हैव देयर ओन सीआरएम्स और वहां पे हो जाता था बट नाउ व्हेन आई एम सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड ये मेरा थोड़ा चैलेंज है कि टैक्स का क्या कैसे वो उधर थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा एंड
Yes.
अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग का और टूल्स के बारे में इफ यू कैन एक्सप्लेन मोर कि क्या आपके टूल्स मतलब यूज करते हो क्या सजेस्ट करते हो बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो वांटेड टू नो कि मतलब थोड़ा और डिटेल में कि क्या टूल्स सीखने वाले हैं
Okay.
इफ यू कैन जस्ट ब्रीफली
Yes, yes, great. So first tool will be regarding this money management, how we will be doing, how you will be tracking your expenses, your income, right? And then we will be having this monthly analysis, whatever income and expenses we are having, we will be
एक
sharing
में
the
कोट
monthly
किया
analysis. Yes. And also I have learned the jar system. So I will be sharing the, now we will be following the jar system. So I will be sharing to you this expense tracker and budgeting. Okay. Second, I will be sharing the jar system. How can you plan and how can you segregate your expenses and how can you manage your money? So you will be getting a jar system. And then we will be having this risk assessment tool. And then we will be having this investment asset allocation tool, so that you can decide what percentage is good for you at in what asset you should invest. And also I will be sharing monthly some of the mutual funds that you can invest in. And I will be telling you the process how you can select the mutual fund if you are coming in the mentorship, because this is a part of mentorship. So these sessions are open for you as well. So I will be teaching there how you can select the mutual funds. And also, like, I'm an investment planner. You can go through me. I can do your investment planning, and you can invest through me also. Because lot many times people don't want to like study the numbers, because everyone has different expertise. If I'm an expert in one thing, you can just come to me, and I would love for you to know everything, but it's actually finance is like a continuous learning. If today one thing is good, tomorrow it may not be good, because market is so volatile. So many new assets are coming. So what is good for you? So I can definitely tell. So you can come to me. I can help you plan all these things. You can invest through me. So all those options you will be having. And also I have designed lot many worksheets, like regarding let's say if you have to work on the goal, how you will be doing. So I will be giving you the worksheets so that you can plan your goals. And also I will be giving you so many of affirmation sheet also so that you can plan. I will be giving you like I have 72 beliefs questionnaire. So how will we working on our mindset? First, we need to be aware what our beliefs are. So I will be sharing with you this questionnaire. So on which we will be working in one session. So these are the tools and resources that I will be sharing, and whatever more I will be getting, and like continuously I will be sharing with you guys. I hope it is clear.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome. So anyone else who wants to ask anything?